Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on this channel, and the purpose of this channel is to teach newbie trader and semi-pro trader how they can get started in forex trading. Also, I will carry them along through my journey of zero traders to millionaire trader. So guys, subscribe to my channel and watch me how I will grow from zero trader to millionaire trader. So let's see how long it will take us to grow together and become a millionaire trader. So tonight I will be showing you how I make $632 trading for just 3 days in a week. The first step we'll be looking at is the breakdown analysis of the pairs I trade. So my entry point and my exit point, the strategy I use on my risk reward. So guys, last week the strategy I used and the pairs I trade is candlestick patterns and chart pattern. So candlestick pattern and chart pattern is one of my great strategy I've been using so far, and trend pattern. So let us look at AUD USD starting from the higher time frame. As you can see on my screen, this is AUD USD, and this is monthly time frame of AUD USD. As you can see here, you can see that on last month, which is January, there is a bullish market on last month. So AUD USD starting from higher time frame to lower time frame will be one of our pairs that I will be looking at this this evening. So I will be showing you how I apply my strategies and how I enter my trade and how I exit my trade. So I like to analyze from higher time frames to lower time frame, cause I used to apply a top down analysis, we which will clearly show you how the beauty of market. So starting from monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame, and 4 hours time frame. So for you guys to understand better on this, so I'll be showing you from monthly time frame, the top down analysis I use from monthly time frame to weekly time frames to daily time frame and 4 hours time frame. So those are the higher time frame that I used to trade. I used to look at the chart. So now guys, let's go guys. For the purpose of total newbies who doesn't understand the basic fundamental, uh, the, who doesn't understand the basic financial market, and how I will still do, I will still going to do a video on how the beginning forex trader we started. So from the beginning of how you understand the basic forex strategies, so how forex trading work, how forex trading, the meaning of forex trading, so how you can get started, the brokers, and a lot more. Don't worry, so I will still carry along the beginners. So but for you to be carry along on how I started my journey from zero traders to millionaire trader, that's the reason why I'm dropping this video as a first video. So initially I supposed to drop a video that will be explain the basic forex, so that for the newbie that doesn't know about the financial markets to understand what we mean about forex trading and financial market as a whole. So now guys, so let's go guys. If there's anything you want me to talk about, so please just write down in the comment section, and I will just write it in the comment section, and I will do a video about it. So don't worry guys. So this video is meant for the semi-pro or someone that have been in forex trading already. So this video is not for the beginners traders, but for the purpose of beginners trader, for someone that doesn't understand forex trading, I will still going to do another video that will basically explain the basic of forex trading, and how you can get started, the broker I use, and everything I use. So tonight, let me just show you how I start the journey. The journey I've started last week. So my journey actually, and I will be carrying you along every week on the analysis and how much I make on my trade every week. So last week I trade from Tuesdays to Thursday. I trade on Tuesday, on Wednesday and Thursday. On Monday I didn't trade because I didn't see the clear um move of the price. So because whenever there is a consolidation, I don't used to trade. So I wait for the market to consolidate and start trending in the start trending. So either maybe bullish or bearish. So that is when I enter my trade and I do my analysis. So now guys, last week I trade three pairs last week. I trade AUD USD, USD JPY, and GBP USD. So AUD USD is one of my favorite pairs. I love. It's one of my favorite pairs I love. So don't worry, you'll be expecting much video about AUD USD from me because AUD USD is one of the pairs I love most, and another pairs I study the movement very well. So now I'll be showing you how I started the journey last week. So actually the account is the deposit of $989, and I'm able to make about 70 to 80% of the equity back, which is $632, and withdrawal of $622. So I started the account on the Tuesday. I trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, and I trade on Thursday. So now guys, let me just show you how I analyze the market and how I trade. So now this is monthly time frame. As you can see on monthly time frame, the first thing I'll be showing you on monthly time frame is, if you see the chart, you will see that last month we have a bullish. Now in February, the market stopped trending in bullish. Seller came in. So once the seller came in, seller pulled back the market, and as you can see, there on monthly time frame, the market the price form a double top. There is something called double top on chart pattern. So the double top, whenever you see a double top on a chart, so it means that there will going to be a bearish momentum, and the seller will be coming. So that's not what I want to use, but I want to let you understand that on a monthly time frame we see a double top pattern. Now starting from February, now the market have been raining, trending in bearish momentum. So the AUD have been falling in bearish momentum. Now let me just go to weekly time frame. So before I enter my trade, before I do my analysis, I used to go to monthly time frame to know that what exactly monthly time frame is giving me. So actually last month, monthly time frame showed me that there is a bullish trend. Now this month there is a bearish trend. So the first thing, I didn't trade on monthly time frame. Don't get me wrong. So I didn't place trade on monthly time frame, or I didn't enter my trade on monthly time frame. I didn't enter my trade or exit my trade on monthly time frame. But I used to check monthly time frame to know the trend of the market. Now the price is moving down. AUD is falling. So on weekly time frame, I used to plot all my key levels on weekly time frame. So let's go to weekly time frame. Now as you can see, I'm on weekly time frame. So now weekly time frame, what do you need to consider on weekly time frame before you plot before you mark all your key levels? Now on weekly time frame, as you can see, I this is last week. So let's say this is upper last week, and this candle is last week. As you can see that there is a big bearish momentum on last week. AUD USD fall very well on last week. So as you can see, there is another double top on weekly time frame. Don't forget, we saw a double top on monthly time frame. Now there's another double top on weekly time frame. Look at this candle. Look at this candle here. So as you can see now, there is a double top, and whenever you see a double top on a chart, it means that the seller are trying to came in, and the seller are trying to pull the market down. down, 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 down. But before the double top pattern, the word double top pattern needs to be confirmed. You need to draw a neckline. We are still coming to that, but I'm not going to use that to enter my trade. I'm just telling you that I saw a double top pattern. I saw a double top chart pattern on this weekly time frame, likewise on monthly time frame, but I'm not going to use chart pattern to enter my trade. Don't get me wrong, because if I wanted to use this analysis to enter my trade, which is double top, I need to draw a neckline here. So and I which needs to wait for the markets to break the neckline and to bounce back, then the market starting coming down, and which is not possible. I cannot wait for yeah, do you know how many weeks I'll be waiting for the markets to drop down to the neckline? So I didn't use that strategy, but I can clearly see that there is a double top on weekly time frame on AUD USD. Now the the next thing you need to look at now on weekly time frame, after you plot your all the key levels. So my first key level here is this double top. I've marked the key levels. Now these are another key levels. Let me just move this up here. So there's another key levels. As you can see on the on upper last week, there is a bearish candle here. So the candle open here is from a low. It's from a low on the top, and the buyers refuse to pull out the market down, the seller pull out the market down again, and it form another low. So last week the market opened here and dropped down to this level, to this low, to this previous low. If you can, as you can see here, there is a low here. So it dropped down to this low. So now after I mark out all my key levels here on weekly time frame, so this is one of my key levels, this is another key levels. So last week I'm waiting for the markets to just retest a little bit, then started coming down, because I can see that upper last week there is a bearish uh there is a bearish market. There is a bearish, the market bearish, the seller take over. Although the buyers pull the market up down here to the key levels are marked. So the market pull down. So the buyers pull down the market. The buyers pull up the price up, and they didn't even override the seller, and the seller also pull down the markets down again, and they also form a low here during the last week, and they close on the on these levels. Now if you check out the 2 weeks ago, you guys can see there is a dodgy star candle. Now what do you need to understand here on weekly time frame? So what I'm trying to tell you on weekly time frame, that after you plot your key levels, after you mark out your key levels, the another thing you need to check out is that what last week gives you. Is there a bearish or a bullish market during the last week? Are you getting me? So before I started trade during the last week, I confirmed this candlestick. Although there is a dodgy star on the 2 weeks ago, as you can see here, there is an indecision. Whenever you see a dodgy candle, we call this candle dodgy. So whenever you see a dodgy candle, so that means there is an indecision in the market. Are you getting it? So after the seller, after they make the decision, now the market starting dropping down. So on the weekly time frame, I didn't place my trade on weekly time frame. I just look as to mark out all my key levels on weekly time frame. So let's go to daily time frame. So daily time frame, I still mark out all my key levels again on daily time frame. So daily time frame, I've clearly showed the beauty of market, that the seller are taking over. Now on a daily time frame, as you can see on Monday, there is a little retracement. So buyer took over on Monday on daily time frame, but they refused to keep going up, going up, going up. So the market bounced back here on Tuesday. So I started my trading on Tuesday. What I want to show you on daily time frame is on how I enter my trade on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I leave the markets to because I have already confirmed on monthly time frame and on weekly time frame that I want to go for short on AUD USD. So now I saw a retracement uh on Monday last week. So I need to what? I need to stop. I need to leave the markets to go on my trend before I took the trade. So that's one of the patience you need to have as a trader. You need to patience. You need to let the market concord to your strategy before you started trading. Now I let the markets do whatever I want to do on Monday. Then on Tuesday, I saw this sell opportunity because I wanted to short AUD USD. I'm not ready to go for long, so the retracement I'm not in for it. So now on daily time frame on Tuesday, as I enter my trade, I enter my trade here on 68,991. Then I short the market down. I short the market, and I make about $200 on Tuesday. Then I still entered my trade on Wednesday here. I still drop down the market again. I still drop down the market and I make about $200 plus on $210 on Wednesday. Likewise on Thursday I make about 210 dollars on Thursday. Then I make about $632. So on daily time frame, what are the things you need to confirm on daily time frame? Now, if there is any key levels you need to mark out, you need to plot on daily time frame. You need to mark out the all the key levels as well. So now on the 4 hours time frame, let me just quickly show you on 4 hours time frame and how I confirm my candlestick confirmation, because one of the strategy I used last week is top down analysis strategy, which is confirming how the market trend from the higher time frames to the lower time frame. On 4 hours time frame, I took my trade on 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, I confirmed a candlestick pattern, which is a long lower candlestick pattern to go for short. So here on 4 hours time frame, as you can see on 4 hours time frame, there is a clear trend that the market will be dropping down, 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 down. So on Tuesday, as you can see, this is Monday. This is on Monday. On Monday, the market rate because I'm not ready to go for long, so I didn't trade on Monday. Then on Tuesday, I took my trade from here. So I wait for the market. I know that if this market break these levels, I mark out here. So if this market break out this level and mark out here, I know that the market will be coming down, will be dropping down. Then the market break this level is still coming down, 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 down here. But I exit my trade here. I exit my trade here because one of the things you need to understand on forex trading is that you need to have a trading plan. My plan is to make about $200 every day, which I did. And whenever I make $200, so I'll just leave the market. I will just exit my trade. So that's my plan. So you need to have a plan as a trader that okay, what is the exact amount you want to make every day? So and you need to wait for the markets to concord to your strategy. You don't need to pressurize the markets. You don't need to pressurize them. You need to revenge your market whenever the market go in your ways. Are you getting me? So and you need to know the type of strategies you are using. You need to communicate yourself well. You need a trading psychology that will your emotional, your everything. You don't need to be scared. You need to enter your trade whenever the market conquer to your strategy. Now I shut down the market, I shut down the market, then I mark this level. The reason why I didn't put this horizontal line or this lower low on this low here is that I don't know here is that I want this market. I know that there will be a little pullback here on Thursday. So on Thursday, I wait for the market to pull back before I shut down on Thursday. Now on Thursday, the markets pull back a little bit. Then I enter my trade. I enter once I enter my trade here on Thursday. So once I meet up with my target about $200 plus on Thursday, I exit the market. So on Thursday, on Thursday in on Thursday, market still pull back a little bit, and uh, on Friday, as you can see on Friday, I didn't trade on Friday. Actually, I didn't mean I trade on Friday, so I would have make a lot of money. But since that I've already met up with my trading plan, so I don't need to trade on Friday. So then I shut down. So guys, I'm deeply sorry about the video I cut short on the recent analysis. I want to show you how I made $632 on AUD USD and all the other pairs I trade last week. So guys, don't be panic. I still got your back. I will still do a lot of videos that will show how I took my trade, how I placed my trade, how the amount of money I made. So last week have been a great trade for me. I took trade from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I make about $632. That's a great deal for me. So on an account of $989. Don't worry, I'll still do a lot of videos that will shows my analysis, my pure price action, the strategies I use, the candlestick pattern I use. So today is Tuesday. Actually, I didn't trade yesterday due to I don't like to trade on Monday actually because of the consolidation and because of the move of the market. So but today I trade AUD USD and I make about $192. So guys, I can just show you how I took my entry today. So guys, come and show my screen so that I can show you a little bit. So I took my trade from here and then I out of the market down here, so and I make about $192 on AUD USD. So guys, don't worry, just subscribe to my channel, on your notification button, like, comment and share. If there's anything you want me to do, the video you want me to do, or anything you want to know about forex trading, just let me know in comment section box. I will answer you, or you can just message me through my social media I put on my YouTube channel. You can also join my Telegram channel, which I'll be giving you free signal on the PS I trade. So don't worry, I still got your back. I'll still show you all the analysis, all the trade I took. So don't worry, I still got your back. I love you guys. So guys, I'm deeply sorry about the video I cut short on the recent analysis. I want to show you how I made $632 on AUD USD and all the other pairs I trade last week. So guys, don't be panic. I still got your back. I will still do a lot of videos that will show how I took my trade, how I placed my trade, how the amount of money I made. So last week have been a great trade for me. I took trade from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I make about $632. That's a great deal for me. So on an account of $989. Don't worry, I'll still do a lot of videos that will shows my analysis, my pure price action, the strategies I use, the candlestick pattern I use. So today is Tuesday. Actually, I didn't trade yesterday due to I don't like to trade on Monday actually because of the consolidation and because of the move of the market. So but today I trade AUD USD and I make about $192. So guys, I can just show you how I took my entry today. So guys, come and show my screen so that I can show you a little bit. So I took my trade from here and then I out of the market down here, so and I make about $192 on AUD USD. So guys, don't worry, just subscribe to my channel, on your notification button, like, comment and share. If there's anything you want me to do, the video you want me to do, or anything you want to know about forex trading, just let me know in comment section box. I will answer you, or you can just message me through my social media I put on my YouTube channel. You can also join my Telegram channel, which I'll be giving you free signal on the PSI trade. So don't worry, I still got your back. I'll still show you all the analysis, all the trade I took. So don't worry, I still got your back. I love you guys.